Hello, clarinet players. Let's work on line 14 together, rolling along. You may know it as Mary Had a Little Lamb. Before we try playing it together, let's go ahead and just have you listen to it. So I'm going to play 14 for you. And if you want to grab your clarinet and see if you can finger along with me while I play it, that would be awesome. So here we go. Listen to this, please. All right, so that's what it sounds like. So now let's go and take a look at the rhythm together and figure out the counting, okay? So first thing we have here at the beginning of the song are quarter notes. That's these black circles with the stems, and the whole song is pretty much quarter notes. Every quarter note gets one beat of sound, or 1 second basically. So when we count quarter notes, we're going to say the word ta. So we're going to go ta, 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 like that. And when we get to the squiggly line, this is a quarter rest, 1 beat of silence. So we'll say rest. So let's just go ahead and count the song together using the words tas and rest. Okay? Count with me, please. Let's count out loud. Ready? Here we go. Ta, 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 rest. Ta, 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 rest, rest, rest. Okay, and when you get to the rest, you can either say rest or you can just think rest, either way. Okay, so that's the counting of the song. I hope that makes sense. Now, the challenging part of the song, of course, is moving your fingers. So we need to know the first 5 notes for the song: C's, D's, E's, F's, and G's. And actually, there's no F's in the song, so just C's, D's, E's, and G's. Okay, so let's go ahead and look at the speed here of the song, the tempo. And it says it's 76. Why don't we practice it a little bit slower? Let's take it down to 60. Okay, and let's go ahead and grab our clarinet and let's say the letter names together and move our fingers. Okay, now if you can't do this quickly, please go back and review. If this is too difficult for you, you can do a few things. After we go through this together, you can go back and just rewind it and slow the video down and do it over and over till it feels good with me, or you can go back and review your note names and then come back to the song. Okay, but it starts on an E, bottom black line there, and then we got D's and C's. So let's say it and move our fingers. Here we go. Good luck. E, D, C, D, E, 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 rest. D, 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 rest. E, G, G, rest. E, D, C, D, E, 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 rest. D, D, E, D, C, rest, rest, rest. Okay, you may want to rewind the video and do that again with me and do it over and over until you can get it. Another technique you might want to do is just practice the song in pieces. So maybe practice just the first measure over and over. So let's do that. Just the first 4 notes. That's the blue box right there, the first blue box. Okay, let's say it together. Ready and go. E, D, C, D. Let's do it again. E, D, C, D. Let's do it again. E, D, C, D. So just do that over and over until it feels really easy. Once that feels easy, do the next measure. E, E, E. Well, you don't have to move your fingers for that one, so that one's easy. Let's put them together now. Do the first 2 measures with me. Ready and say it. Go. E, D, C, D, E, E, E. One more time. Do it again. Go. E, D, C, D, E, E, E. Once that feels easy, then go ahead and say the next 2 measures and do the same thing, okay? Say it over and over until it's easy. Do the same thing down here. Say this over and over until it's easy. Although, did you notice that these 2 measures are the same as these 2 measures? So if you got the beginning, you've already got this part, okay? And then once you've mastered that, say the last 2 measures over and over. Okay? Once you got that clarinets, then of course the final step is to play it slowly at a speed that you can handle. Don't go fast and make mistakes. It's better to practice it slow. So let's try it at the speed. This is 60. Here we go. Grab your clarinet. Let's try playing it together. Ready? You may need to practice that even slower than that, and that's okay. Right? You can take it down to 50 if you want to. Just do it slowly and correctly. That's the most important thing. Once you master it at a slow speed, and you can master it at 60, then the final step, of course, is to pick up the tempo back to the performance speed, which is 76, but you got to work your way up there. Okay? So it's going to take you lots of repetition, but it's worth it because once you learn it, then everyone knows the song. So it's kind of fun to play this for mom, dad, brother, sister, dog, cat, whoever you want to play it for. Okay? So good luck on this. I hope that helps you. If you want to play it at full speed with me, just rewind this video to the beginning and you can try it with me at full speed. Okay? All right, clarinet players, good luck on line 14, and I'll see you next time.